Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachut and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. Today is the first time we sell our program for you to bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Barcelona don't they willing to sell Frankie de Jong according to Jose Alvarez, will be transfer superstar. So Baba they let us know say if Arsenal won't make a move for the guy, say they go release him, because you know say ever since Xavi don't enter back and so Xavi don't sanction some kind deals, say make them sell some kind people. Like as in talk say make them leave that Sterling matter. I can't say make them sell the Jong. You get some other people say make them flush, say no need them, say they won't buy in own reinforcement. Not about the top because he won't go for Chelsea, go collect Callum Hudson or Doy. Timo Werner, Hakim Ziyech, get like 3 or 4 players when you see for that Chelsea setup. When you won't collect, even Rudiger self won't collect them. So I never know how this one will be. So if Arsenal really they interested in this guy, if you go for him for January, Barca go sell because Barca self they need money. They won't buy other reinforcements. You know, say their handy tight this season. I know just don't waiting with them. Blessing find they get financial problem. So well, everything at January now we know whether Arsenal would be interested in this guy to go for him. On the 10 Sports, one of our monitoring spirit don't come outside, they let us know say Arsenal they very interested in signing Renato Sanchez. You get last season they almost agreed the fee for the guy, but because of the injury where the guy can't get, they can't abandon the deal. But this time around they don't come back for the table, they don't reason with the player himself gone. At the same time they don't talk with the players representatives and Lille as a club say okay we won't sign this guy. You know this guy said follow for people who helped Lille win the league for France last season. So now Arsenal don't come back for the guy, say we they interested in this guy. At the same time not only Arsenal they for the mix. AC Milan self they also interested in signing this guy, so it dey between AC Milan and Arsenal. So we never know who Renato Sanchez will agree with, but we know say Arsenal don't talk with all the important parties, all the people they're supposed to talk to. So what could the watch as it will be? Hopefully for January we hear say Arsenal don't sign Renato Sanchez. Just keep our fingers crossed. According to Spanish media, through team talk, so Arsenal don't contact Isco, say they would like to sign Isco. Isco na 29-year-old, but he did below the pecking order for Real Madrid. And Ancelotti no really they use the guy. So the guy said everybody won't go World Cup. I still continue to talk this. Everybody won't go World Cup, and you know go feel represent your country from Benjamin. You guys play very well, so that is why Isco now the reason opportunities abroad. You get you know must be Spain. The reason opportunities out of the shores of Spain. So Arsenal are one of the people who don't they attracted to Isco, they monitor institution. They don't follow Isco talk, just like Sanchez. They follow Isco talk, follow representatives talk, but they never reason Real Madrid so okay, won't collect this guy. So hopefully they will follow Real Madrid talk because the guy they willing to move, they open to a move. This 29 now and he's a good playmaker, good. They control ball, they distribute some kind of pass, they score occasional goals. So for signing this you no go bad. At least just sign up for like maybe 1 or 2 seasons. Maybe you can improve what you get for that midfield. Try 1 or 2 things for us. Using experience because this could get massive experience. In as much as we want to use young players, Omomoko no lie, we know if we use everybody, make it just the young player gas. Keep some kind of experienced heads you get. That's why most people they talk say we keep Lacazette, but at the same time the guy don't want to stay. You get you cannot keep somebody that doesn't want to be kept. You know possible. So it just be. Juventus don't reject Arsenal offer for swap deal. You say Arsenal the reason say okay since una wan sell Kulusevski and we some know they use Pepe, so we could do swap. We the value Pepe like that kind £30 million. Now the value Kulusevski like that kind £30 million. Okay, we just do straight swap deal. Man giving a Pepe, may not give us Kulusevski. So Juventus don't reject them officially. Say we know once. Nobody say the deal no good, but we need cash. You get. We define how we take join money. We could go buy this Vlahovic that the person will want buy. So that's why Arsenal say okay no yawa. So Arsenal will check their drawing board now, check their post so that they get money to buy the guy. Our Steve McManaman don't come outside. Call they advise Arteta with Arsenal. So they make them go sign Asensio. So this Asensio will cost us just £31.5 million. And if we buy this guy, so it will make sense because this guy dey surplus to requirement for Real Madrid and himself would like to go challenge himself, play for another league. So it will make sense make Arsenal sign this guy. Our transfer market web don come outside, they let everybody know say Sterling dey very anxious to join Arsenal. Say especially now wey be say Barcelona no dey reason the matter again, because you know say na Barcelona with Arsenal na be the two people dey reason the matter. So now wey be say Xavi don come tell the scouts say make dem halt operation, make dem no reason the guy again. Sterling now dey eager to join Arsenal because him wan dey play very regularly now. You know say for that Etihad wey dey now, him dey below the pecking order. People like Jack Grealish, Phil Foden, dem dey ahead of am. You get, and him sef no like. I know say a lot of people don talk say Man City no go agree to give us Sterling. We no dey talk say make dem sell am to us. You get, at least a loan with an obligation to buy, or a loan with an option to buy, or a loan outrightly with no option or no obligation. Dem go fit agree with that one, because dem no go talk say make dem come let the guy dey kill him career for inside Benjamin na, and dem know say next year na work up there. E no go make sense. A lot of players wey dey for Benjamin now dey look for where dem go play, because World Cup is on the horizon and they wan play for their clubs and country. You get, if you no dey play for your club, at least represent your country. So this is an opportunity for Sterling to move to Arsenal and help us secure our top 4 finish. Oh my, e go make sense abeg. This guy wey come join us, Joe. At the same time, Aubameyang injury scare don come outside and make a lot of people dey fear, because you know say when Aubameyang dem play against Libya, you get, Aubameyang score goal for 52 minutes. So at the same time, for that same match, they can't stretch am out. So after the Libya match, their next match dem play on Tuesday against Egypt, the coach come talk say dem no go play Aubameyang. This one na like a precaution, because e be like say dem dey fear say maybe the guy go get injury, or make e no go aggravate the injury, make dem stretch am out. But wetin make us dey fear be say this guy, after the Libya match, he come outside for Instagram live, let us say, are they okay guys, are they okay? But all of a sudden now, Egypt match will be an important encounter. He come miss am, you get, and he still dey claim say he dey 100% fit. Omo, shey una believe am? If he dey 100% fit, why he no play for him country? Na wetin make all of us dey fear. People dey fear say whether this guy don get injury. Well, you never know. Now when all of them don fly come back for Emirates, then the physios go assess them. Then Ateta will give us updates. We'll come know whether this guy dey really fit abi dey injured, because we get important match against Liverpool and we like making feature, even though they score plenty, but may still feature. Everton dey consider to sign Callum Chambers ahead of Maitland-Niles if they no go fit resurrect that Niles deal again. No say not too long ago they wan sign Niles. Niles sef agree and dey willing to go. Wey Arsenal come block the move, he come go for social media, come dey cry say I just want to play, you guys don't want me to go out and play. Hey, you cry like small pikin. But now Ateta don answer in prayer, come dey let Baba dey play for midfield. So now we dey hope say Niles no go go again, because Niles don talk say now he dey think about him future for Arsenal. Say all those one wey dey cry say wan go join Everton is now in the past. So Everton now don come outside say if they no fit get Niles, they go try. But if they no fit still get Niles again, they are going for Callum Chambers, and Callum Chambers that one na surplus to requirements now. We fit recoup even na 5 or 7 million pounds for head. It's still something. Get another news wey dey rock world football, and this news dey very very funny, because Iran don dey accused of playing one man for women football. You know say dem dey play football against Jordan na national team level. So Jordan dey accuse Iran say na man na be their goalkeeper, say na man dem use play dem, maybe the man dress na woman, who no know. So now they don tell FIFA say dem wan do gender verification for that particular player, make dem know whether na man abi na woman, because e be like say the kind steps wey the guy dey pull no be say woman fit pull, like wetin dey sup, this guy go be man. So na wetin dey rock everywhere now. I say make I let una know as e dey sup. So my dear football lovers, na here I come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come give una fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today na the first time wey you dey see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there, toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you. Have a nice day.